Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Wealth Saga. Today Adani Group shares fell from 5 to 25% intraday. And now what was the reason? We all are aware. If you are not aware, I'm going to tell you. We are also going to discuss what clarification has come from the side of Adani Group, and we are also going to study the chart which stock is worthy of investment after this correction. Everything in this important video. Firstly, we are going to understand what was the news which was there right in the mainstream media. The news was that NSDL, which is the depository, National Securities Depository Limited, which deposits the shares which you buy. So now NSDL has frozen the accounts of 3 foreign funds. Name also I'm going to tell you. Frozen the accounts of 3 foreign funds which have total investment of 435 billion rupees in Adani Group companies. What does this mean? This simply means that if these shares are frozen in any demat account, which clearly demonstrates that there is something fishy going in the company. There is some big action which is going to be taken against the company. But thankfully, Adani Group has come in front and they have said that these rumors, these news are absolutely wrong and baseless. Now let's see what Adani Group has to say. This letter I have also got in the mainstream media. So we have, as an investor, we have no other option than to believe the mainstream media. Now the clarification which has come and which has led to the recovery of Adani Group stocks to a big extent, we are going to study the charts as well. However, firstly we'll understand the letter which has come. The clarification on news article published in Economic Times with respect to account of 3 FPIs owning Adani shares which have been frozen. Now what is written in this? Dear sir, we bring to your kind attention that news headlines published in Economic Times that NSDL has frozen the account of 3 foreign funds. Names are also given. ठीक है. We regret to mention that these reports are blatantly erroneous and is done to deliberately mislead the investing community. This has caused irreparable loss of economic value to the investors and of course the reputation of the group. So basically they have denied these news rumors which were there in the market, which clearly speaks volumes about the good fundamentals of the company. And because whensoever the stock is falling, if management comes in front and gives out the clear reason that why the stock is falling, if it is good, bad, ugly, when they come and they speak about the company, this speaks good about the company's fundamentals. Also in this letter, they have requested registrar and transfer agent with respect to the status of demat accounts. Also, they have said that this letter has been issued in the larger public interest and for the protection of minority investors like us. So basically, what does this mean? This simply means that company has denied these allegations, these new rumors which were there. Now, since they were in mainstream media, we as a small investors have no other option than to believe them. So that was the reason why the stock fell. However, now if you see the charts, you will understand the kind of drop these stocks have witnessed. So they have come to a very good buying level as well. We'll understand the charts as well. Now there were multiple other rumors also that there is some big news reporter or other media person who has given some comments against Adani Group. There are also rumors that SEBI is also going to inquire that why the Adani share prices, Adani Enterprises, Adani Group shares have risen so much. Within 1 year, they have given you 900% return. That means if you've invested 1 lakh rupees the last year, they have converted to almost 10 lakh rupees. 1 lakh converted to 10 lakh within a span of 1 year is a big rise. So there are some some rumors, some news that there is some inspection which is going to take place with respect to SEBI as well. So that was the major reason why the stock prices fell so badly. And if you see that, of course, there is no doubt about it that the stock prices have risen very sharply in last 1 year. Now that was Adani Enterprises. Now if you see about Adani Ports, the stock has given you 120% returns, which according to me is not a very big rise. And also I consider Adani Ports as to be a very good fundamentally managed company. Their assets are one of the best as far as their sector is concerned. So in case if you are able to capture good quality stocks like Adani Port on such kind of mayhem, I would call it, such kind of big fall, you are able to capture such kind of stocks on big dips, I think that's a great opportunity for long term. Now, if you see the chart of Adani Power, the stock fell 5% intraday and it went to its lower circuit. Thereafter, it did not recover at all. So, the investors' money who have invested in this stock, they might have sold in the panic, and most probably, in case tomorrow the stock starts to recover from its lows, the investor will again sell it, because this kind of news creates a big impact in the mentality of the investors, small investors, retail investors. So, they tend to panic, and tomorrow again, in case if the stock remains, possibly the stock may witness a big fall tomorrow as well. However, if you witness the charts of Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports, which are a part of future and option shares, so they have no circuits as such. So the stock fell of Adani Enterprises from 1500 levels to almost 1250 level, which had fallen approximately 20%. And now, after having fallen this much, then when the investors, retail investors and small investors have sold off their position, the stock rose from the levels of 1250 and closed 1500 plus. So you can understand the kind of loss which it has created to the small investors who have sold their stocks, their holdings in panic. However, it is a big gain for those people who have bought this stock on such dips at 1250, 1260, according to me, guys. So these are the investment opportunities when you must have the correction, have the of course conviction, and of course the courage to buy good quality stocks on dips. So if you must have listened to me, I have been telling you on multiple videos, multiple forums, that Adani Ports happens to be the best stock in Adani Group. So in case you have not picked Adani Ports at today's correction, when it was correcting more than 15%, I think you've done a big mistake. Adani Port has a very good support at 700 price levels, and the stock immediately touched 700 levels and bounced back from there. So 700 was a very good GTT level as well. I am sure most of my viewers, subscribers must have put the GTT order at around 700. Those people who have bought this stock at 700 price, according to me, it's a great buy price. However, in case there happens to be some rumors, some negative news, and you are able to get this stock below 700, maybe 600, 650, I think it's a great value buy below 700, because Adani Port has the best ports in India as far as their sea connectivity is concerned. So Adani Ports, if you are able to capture this stock in dips, so according to me, it is going to give you one of the very good returns in times to come, because you are not just investing in the name, you are also aware that the fundamentals of the company, the assets of the company are of the best quality. So according to me, these are the things which you need to keep at the back of mind when you are investing. You should not panic, you should not panic sell, you should not panic buy. So you should always keep your focus in mind that this stock values this much, so I need to buy this stock here. So in case those people who have bought this stock today on dips, maybe 700 and below, my best wishes and congratulations to you all, because you have bought this stock at the reasonable price, which is approximately 700 and below. Thank you so very much. I hope this video was informative for you. In case if you still have any questions, query, you can always let us know in the comment section or on app. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.